Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading notes related to ICSE board syllabus. In this particular video series, we have been uploading notes related to Class 6 Physics Chapter 1 and 2. That is Chapter 1 Introduction and Chapter 2 Matter combined together. As Chapter 1 is pretty small, we have combined chapter 1 and 2 in these videos. Come on, let us continue with our studies. This is the part 3 of this video series. Question number 30. Define sublimation. Answer. Some solids change directly into vapor without passing through the liquid state. This process is called sublimation. 31. Give a few examples of substances that sublime at room temperature. Answer. Mothball, naphthalene and camphor. Exercises. Short answer questions. Question number 1. Define matter. Give 3 examples. Answer. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Examples: tables, chairs, books. Next question. Question number 2. What is matter made up of? Answer. Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Question number 3. What is the space between the molecules of a substance called? Answer. Intermolecular space. Question number 4. What are the 3 states of matter? Answer. Solid, liquid and gas. Question number 5. How do solids, liquids and gases differ in respect of volume and shape? The answer is given in the form of a table. Let us learn that. Solids, liquids, gases. Point number 1. They have a definite volume. Liquids, they have a definite volume. Gases, they do not have fixed volume. Solids, point number 2. They have a definite shape. Liquids, they do not have definite shape. Gases, they do not have fixed shape. Question number 6. Question number 6. What do you understand by interconversion of state? Answer. Matter changes its state when heated or cooled. This process is called interconversion of state. Question number 7. What is sublimation? Name 2 substances that sublime. Answer. Some solids change directly into vapor without passing through the liquid state. This process is called sublimation. Example for substances that sublime: mothball, in other words naphthalene, and camphor. Question number 8. What is liquefaction? Answer. When vapor is cooled to a particular temperature, it changes into liquid. This process is called liquefaction. Question number 9. What causes matter to change its state? Answer. The change in temperature causes matter to change its state. Question number 10. Why are gases highly compressible? Answer. Gases are highly compressible because of the large intermolecular space. Long answer questions. Question number 1. Explain the characteristics of a solid on the basis of the space and force between its molecules. Answer. Point number 1. They are rigid and incompressible since there is very little space between their constituent particles. As there is very little space between their particles, they cannot be compressed. It means they are incompressible and also they are found rigid. Point number 2. They have a definite shape and volume because the constituent particles are held together by a strong force. With this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with the rest of the questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.